In the previous step, you learned to hold your yarn, and now it's time to add the hook. So grab your hook, and let's take a closer look at it. This soft silicone handle makes the hook comfortable, even during long crocheting sessions. On the front, you will see a flat area. This is the thumb rest. Now to the metal part, the straight section is the shaft. It decides the size of your stitches because the yarn forms loops around this part. Then comes the throat, the curved part that catches the yarn. At the very end, there is the tip. This helps you insert the hook into a stitch easily. There are two common ways to hold the hook. The first is the knife hold. Hold the hook the same way you hold a table knife. Your thumb rests on the thumb rest, and the rest of your fingers support the handle from below. Your index finger can help with guiding the loops. The second way is the pencil hold. Hold the hook like a pen or a pencil. The hook is pinched between your thumb and index finger, while the rest of your hand stays relaxed. Your middle finger can help assist with the loops. Both holds are correct as long as they feel natural and your wrist can move freely. If it feels comfortable and you can control the hook, it will work. In the next step, when we practice the chain stitch, we will use everything together, holding the yarn, holding the hook, and making your first stitches.